Hi everyone, I am Hiruni the Rathnayake. My student ID is AZZ37423. Let's discuss uh, about the answers of this Power BI questions. For the question number 1, here you can see the answers. In here, to find the maximum longitude, I first selected the state and longitude columns. Since the data includes multiple rows for some states, I selected a maximum longitude for each state to ensure accuracy. After that, I sorted the results in descending order to identify which state had the maximum longitude. Based on this analysis, New York had the highest average longitude in this data set. Uh, then let's talk about the second question. Uh, First, I added a new column for gross margin calculated using the formula. Uh, Gross margin equals gross profit divided by sales revenue multiplied by 100. Then I selected the state, date, and gross margin columns. After that, I applied a filter to show only records where the dates is 2017. Here you can see the result. Mm, then uh, from here, uh, you can see uh, in here for the question number 3, there we can have to calculate the maximum discount and which store. Uh, I selected the each store. Uh, I selected each store and calculated the maximum discount offered by each. Then here, I sorted the results in descending order based on the discount value, allowing me to identify the store that provided the highest discount. This helped highlight which store had the most significant discount strategy. So I found store ovens has the maximum discount. Uh, then the question number 4. In here you can see I calculated the total sales price for each city and applied a filter for the year 2017. Then I sorted the results in descending order to determine which city had the highest total sales price for that year. So, the city with the highest sales price in 2017 was Agavam with a total sales price of 56978.48. Then let's talk about the question number 5. In here, you can see the result. Agavam had the highest sales price in 2017. To explore that further, I filtered the data set especially for the city and calculate the sales price for each product. After sorting the results in descending order, I identified the product with the highest sales price in Agavam in 2017 was gloves. Then let's talk about the answers for the question number 6. Uh, Here you can see the results. I calculated the sum of sales price for the gloves product across all years. After sorting the results in descending order, I found that 2016 had the highest sales price for gloves. Let's talk about the question number 7. I calculate the sum of prices for each category and applied a filter for that year 2016. After sorting the results in descending order, I identified that the household category had the highest total price in 2016 with a total of 7,800 7,124.88. Then let's talk about the question number 8. First, I calculated the minimum gross margin for each month across all years. I sorted the results in ascending order to identify which month and the year had the lowest gross margin. The month of November 2016, here you can see, had the lowest gross margin. Let's talk about the question number 9. First, I calculate the sum of gross profit for each year and arrange the results in ascending order. Here you can see the year 2017 had the lowest gross profit. Afterwards, I calculate the total gross profit for each product in 2017. Then I generated a report displaying that the total profit each item, which I have sorted in ascending order to identify the products with the lowest profit. The product with the lowest profit, uh, the rain jacket with a profit of 320.71. Here you can see the last answers in here. You can see the screenshot of this answer. I calculate the sum of gross profit for each year and I arrange results in descending order. The year 2016 had the highest gross profit. After that, I calculated the total gross profit for each product in 2016. Then I created a report showing the total profit for each item, which I also sorted in descending order. Here you can see to identify the products with the highest profit. The product with the highest profit was nails with the profit of 102, 106.48. Then let's talk about the dashboard. Uh, then here, when we talk about the dashboard, uh, this is the dashboard, first dashboard. Uh, this card shows the total gross profits as accumulated from all transactions up until today's date. To provide a broader financial overview, the next card highlights the total revenue generated from all sales. For a detailed year-over-year comparison, I used clustered column chart to compare gross profit and sales by year. This chart helps identify trends over time, making it easy to spot the most profitable and highest sales years at a glance. Mm, Then I incorporated a pie chart here uh, to display the quantities sold by each product. Uh, Offering visual representation of product performance. Uh, this is the pie chart you can see. Finally, I included a donut chart to present uh, sales revenue by region, allowing us to quickly access which regions contributed the most overall revenue. This visualization helps identify regional performance trends and can assist in regional strategy planning. I used a clustered bar chart to present the total sales revenue by region and year. Here, allowing for a clear comparison of how different regions perform across multiple years. Additionally, I used a scatter chart to visualize sales uh, gross profit percentage, and gross profit over time. I also incorporated product as a slicer, allowing users to filter the data by specific products. This means it's easy to drill down and analyze sales revenue, gross profit, and GB percentage for individual products across different regions and years. Then let's talk about the second dashboard. Uh, in this dashboard, I used a donut chart to display gross profit by category. Uh, offering a offering a class clear breakdown of how each category distributes to overall profitability. Additionally, I used a cluster chart in here to present both gross profit and sum of sales revenue by category and year. On the x-axis, you can see both year and category, allowing for of sales revenue, and blue light blue to indicate uh, the gross profit. Uh, this color distinction makes it simple to compare the two metrics side by side to observe how they trend together. Uh, Additionally, I incorporated data here as the play axis, allowing the chart to animate changes over time. This uh, Human features enables you to track of performance of different products year, comprehensive view of product performance across multiple metrics. Then let's talk about the dashboard 3. In here, in this section, I use cards to present key metrics. The first card shows total quality sold, and then the second card displays the total sales. The third card highlights the total gross profit. Okay. Additionally, I included a map to visualize the sum of sales revenue for each store where the latitude and longitude of the stores are plotted. The bubble size uh, corresponds to the sales revenue, allowing for easy comparison of store performance based on their geographic location. Lastly, I use stacked area chart again, this time to represent sales revenue by year and quarter. This chart breaks down the sales performance over time, showing how revenue has changed not only across different years but also within each quarter, providing a more granular view of trends. In addition, I used a pie chart to display sales by products, providing a clear visual breakdown of how different products contribute to all overall sales. I also incorporated a ribbon chart to show sales by region, where you can observe how sales shifts across regions over time. Finally, I added a slicer for the year, allowing users to filter uh, data to explore how sales have changed across 3 years. Uh, that's all. Uh, Thank you so much for watching.